Today we have an iPhone 12. It has a problem with the volume button. We are going to deep dive after the intro. Disassembling display panel. Disassembling all flex cables from motherboard. Unmounting SIM tray. Unmount camera and the motherboard from the phone body. Be careful during this process. Otherwise, the component will be damaged. Unmount battery. Removing volume and power flex cable which is attached to the wireless charging coil. We also need to remove the magnetic coil. Carefully heat up the magnetic panel and remove it from the body. This is a new magnetic coil with volume flex. We are going to install it on the board. After that, mounting the motherboard. Attaching cable connectors with the board. Mounting the battery. All the components installation is done. Now checking. The power button, silent button, and volume button are working. So all done. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your opinion, comment in the comment section.